In this video, I am going to discuss as promised about price earnings ratio. Hey guys, thank you for watching Travelin' with Jay. This is me Janita and I'm back with another episode in a stock market series. If you're new to this channel, this is me Janita and I post videos related to finance, travel and education. Please do like, share and subscribe to my channel. What is PE ratio? PE ratio is one of the valuation ratios. So before moving ahead to PE ratio, let me explain you what do we understand by the term valuation. Valuation means estimating worth of something. For example, if we go out to buy any product in the market, we always check what is the market value of that particular product. In the same way, let me give you an example. Say if I want to buy an air conditioner of a specific model, what I would do is I would go to the market and I would visit various electronic showrooms and I will check what is the price of that particular air conditioner and then compare it with the different stores that they are offering, what kind of offers they are giving me, and then I will buy the air conditioner at the one which is the most affordable to me. Also, if I buy an air conditioner during summer season, it would be more costly as compared to any other season. Same thing in context with investment. Irrespective of how attractive the business appears, what is the most important is the business valuation. Sometimes a mediocre business is at cheap value, which is a great option to invest instead of an exciting business which is at extremely higher valuation. There are three types of valuation ratios. One is price to sales ratio, second is price to book value ratio, and third is price to earnings ratio. So in this video, we are going to discuss detail about price to earnings ratio. PE ratio is the most popular financial ratio. How you will know if a stock is overvalued or undervalued? Here, PE ratio will help you. So let us see how to calculate PE ratio. Your P stands for price per share and E stands for earnings per share. So the formula to calculate PE ratio is current market price per share divided by earnings per share. Before diving into price to earnings ratio, let us understand and see the calculation for earnings per share, that is EPS. EPS refers to profit of a company on per share basis. The formula for EPS is profit after tax divided by number of shares. Clearly, higher the EPS, it's better for the investors. If you divide EPS with the current share price of the stock, we get the price to earnings ratio. PE ratio tells us how much the investors are ready to pay for every rupee of profit that the company generates. The basic principle of investing is to buy at low and sell at high. So you should always remember to buy stocks when they are undervalued and sell them when they are overvalued. For example, if PE of a certain firm is at 15, it simply means that investors are ready to pay 15 times for 1 rupee of their current earnings. PE indicates how cheap or expensive the stocks are trading at. Never buy a stock when they are trading at higher valuations. Typical value of PE can range from 0 to 100 to even thousands. So you should always compare the PE with the industry PE. Industry PE as in IT, pharma, banking or any other sector. So you should always compare the PE with the industry PE. Higher the PE as compared to industry PE, the stocks are overvalued. On the other hand, lower PE doesn't necessarily mean that the stock is undervalued. Do not buy stock just because it is at a lower PE. As an investor, you should not look for cheap stocks. Instead, you should look for stocks which has great future prospects and buy them at correct bargain price.
One more thing that I would like to add here is that you don't have to calculate the PE and EPS manually. These are all available on all the stock market websites and applications.
So guys, that was all for today. I hope you liked this video and this information was useful and easy to understand. I will see you soon with another video. Till then, take care. Bye. One more thing, if you have not subscribed to my channel yet, do like, share and subscribe.